Ladies and gentlemen, imagine waking up one day to find the sky no longer blue, the rivers no longer flowing, the forest turned to ashes, and the birds silenced forever. Would you still call it earth? Would you still call it home? Today, I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a daughter of this soil, a voice of this crying earth, to remind us all this planet is not just where we live, it is what allows us to live. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. We celebrate Earth Day every year. But dear friends, the earth is not asking for celebration. It is asking for protection. It is asking for healing. It is asking for us. Earth, our only home, has given us everything. The trees that breathe life into our lungs, the rivers that quench our thirst, the soil that grows our food, the wind that carries our dreams. But what have we given back? Deforestation, pollution, melting glaciers, poisoned oceans. We have wounded the every heart that beats for us. We cut the trees, we burn the land, then wonder why the storms don't understand. It's time to ask, are we caretakers of this world, or are we just careless? Let us not wait for climate change to knock at our doors. It's already inside our homes. Floods, droughts, fires, heat waves, all shouting one truth. We are running out of time. But friends, there is still hope. Every tree planted, every drop saved, every voice raised in care brings us one step closer to a better world. Let the green grow, let the rivers flow. Let us be the change this earth must know. So, today, let us not just speak for the earth. Let us act for it. Let us not leave behind concrete jungles for our children, but forests of life, oceans of purity, and skies full of stars. Let us promise we would not wait for a miracle begin. We will be the miracle this earth needs from within, because earth does not need us. We need earth. Thank you.